Hey everyone, in this comprehensive Canva tutorial, we will take you through a detailed step-by-step guide to unleash your creativity. From designing personalized cards to editing photos and crafting engaging videos, let us dive deep into the role of Canva. Enhancing designs with photos. To add an extra touch of personalization, import external photos into your design. Utilize platforms like Pexels to find high-quality, non-copyright images. Learn to upload, resize, and seamlessly integrate these photos into your Canva project. When seeking images to enhance your designs, platforms like Pexels offer a treasure trove of high-resolution, copyright-free images. Navigate through Pexels' extensive library, filtering by category, color, or themes, ensuring you find the perfect images tailored to your design needs. Once you have discovered the ideal image for your project, downloading it to your computer is the initial step. Next, access your Canva account and enter the design interface. Click on Uploads within Canva and select the download image. This simple process allows you to seamlessly integrate your chosen image into the Canva workspace. Upon importing the image, Canva's intuitive platform enables effortless resizing and repositioning. You have complete control over adjusting the image size to perfectly fit your design canvas. Utilize Canva's tools to crop, rotate, or add filters to the imported image, ensuring it harmonizes flawlessly with your overall design concept. Once satisfied with your creation, ensure the highest quality by exporting the design or PNG or PDF formats for digital sharing or printing purposes, respectively. Exporting your meticulously crafted design from Canva is a pivotal step to maintain its quality and shareability. PNG or Portable Network Graphics and PDF Portable Document Format stand out as a versatile file formats within Canva export options. Selecting PNG as your export format retains the design's clarity and supports transparent backgrounds, making it ideal for digital platforms, presentations, or online sharing. PNG files ensures that every pixel and detail of your design remains crisp and vivid, maintaining the visual integrity. On the other hand, choosing PDF format offers compatibility across various devices and ensures high-quality printing. Whether for personal use or professional printing services, PDF files preserve the design's quality, color, and resolution, providing an excellent option for physical distribution. Remember, Canva's flexibility allows users to cater to diverse preferences and requirements, ensuring your designs are presented in the best possible quality across various mediums and platforms. Exploring video editing. Now, let us delve into Canva's video editing capabilities. Access the Create a Design section and explore video options. Discover various formats such as video collage, platform-specific videos, or personalized messages. Upon entering the Create a Design section on Canva's user-friendly interface, explore the diverse spectrum of video options at your disposal. Canva offers an extensive range of video formats tailored to different purposes, enabling creators to unleash their imagination. Whether it is crafting engaging video collages, optimizing content for specific platforms, or creating personalized messages, Canva's versatile tools cater to varied creative needs. Delve deeper into each video format to understand its unique features and applications. Whether you are aiming for a dynamic Instagram story, an informative YouTube video, or a captivating TikTok clip, Canva equips you with templates and tools tailored to suit these specific platforms. Master the basics of video editing within Canva. Add elements, trim clips, and incorporate text or graphics seamlessly into your videos. Witness the simplicity of creating engaging video content. Embark on your video editing journey within Canva's intuitive interface. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental tools that empower creators to craft professional-grade videos effortlessly. Begin by selecting your desired video template or blank canvas, setting the stage for your creative exploration. Explore Canva's robust suite of video editing tools, enabling you to enrich your videos with diverse elements. add captivating text overlays, compelling graphics, and eye-catching animations. Dive into the simplicity of trimming clips, ensuring your video flows seamlessly and captivates your audience from start to finish. Witness the magic of overlaying text or graphics onto your video content. Canva's drag-and-drop functionality empowers creators to position and customize these elements precisely. Whether it is captions, titles, or engaging call-to-action messages, seamlessly integrate these visuals to enhance the storytelling aspect of your videos. Moreover, explore the versatility of Canva's library, which boasts an extensive collection of stock videos, music tracks, and sound effects. Elevate your videos by incorporating these resources, enhancing the overall impact and engagement of your content. By mastering Canva's video editing tools, creators can unleash their creativity and produce compelling video content that resonates with their audience. The seamless integration of various elements and a user-friendly interface make Canva a go-to platform for both beginners and seasoned video editors alike. Canva's intuitive interface simplifies the creative process. Compared to complex software, Canva offers a beginner-friendly environment without compromising on quality. It is perfect for both seasoned creators and beginners looking to unleash their creativity. Exporting and sharing your creations. Once your masterpiece is perfected, export your designs and videos. Select optimal file formats for digital sharing or high-quality printing. Share your creations via email, social media, or print them for physical distribution. As you put the finishing touches on your meticulously crafted designs or videos within Canva, it is crucial to ensure their seamless transition from the creative platform to various sharing mediums. Canva simplifies this process by offering a myriad of export options, allowing creators to choose the most suitable file formats for their intended purposes. When exporting your designs, consider the intended usage. Opt for PNG format to maintain the highest image quality and transparency, ideal for sharing on digital platforms, social media, or website banners. The PNG format preserves the clarity and vibrancy of your designs, ensuring every detail remains sharp and vivid. Alternatively, if you are preparing your creation for printing purposes, selecting PDF as the export format is advantageous. PDFs retain the layout, colors, and resolution of your designs, guaranteeing high-quality prints for physical distribution, be it for personal use or professional presentations. Once you have chosen the appropriate file format, Canva's seamless export process ensures a hassle-free experience. Simply click on the download option, and within moments, your file will be ready for download, maintaining its integrity and quality. Remember, Canva's versatility makes it a powerful tool for creatives across various domains. From design enthusiasts to content creators, it is an invaluable resource for unleashing your artistic potential. Canva's expansive suite of tools and features caters to a wide spectrum of creative pursuits. Whether you are an aspiring graphic designer, a social media content creator, a marketing professional, or a student working on presentations, Canva empowers you to bring your ideas to life. The platform's intuitive interface, coupled with its extensive library of templates, design elements, and collaboration tools, makes it an indispensable ally for professionals and hobbyists alike. From crafting stunning visuals to developing engaging marketing materials, Canva's adaptability and user-friendly approach democratize the realm of design, enabling everyone to express their creativity. Moreover, Canva's accessibility as a web-based platform allows for seamless collaboration and sharing among individuals or teams, fostering a conducive environment for creativity, ideation, and collective creation. In essence, Canva transcends boundaries, catering to the artistic endeavors of individuals across various disciplines. It stands as a testament to democratizing design and empowering users worldwide to explore their creativity and bring their unique visions to fruition. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough of Canva's features for design, photo editing, and video creation. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master Canva step-by-step design, photo editing, and video creation tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.